In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to sync your Google Calendar with Notion. Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to sync your Google Calendar with Notion. We're going to keep this simple and straightforward, and by the end, your events will display right inside your Notion page. Start by opening Notion. Head to your workspace and open the specific page where you want your calendar to appear. It could be a dashboard, a project page, or any spot you like to keep your schedule visible. Leaving this page open will make it easy to drop the calendar in as soon as we have the link. Next, open Google Calendar in your browser by going to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, look at the left panel where your calendars are listed. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to bring into Notion, click the three dots for more options, and choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the settings for that specific calendar. Scroll down to the section called Integrate Calendar. Here you'll find several links. You want the one labeled Secret Address in iCal format. This generates a private, read-only feed of your events. Copy that iCal link. Quick tip: treat this link like a password. Don't share it publicly because anyone with it can view your calendar details. Now head back to your Notion page. Click where you want the calendar to appear and type /embed. From the menu that pops up, select Embed. Paste the iCal link you copied into the field and click Embed link. Notion will fetch your Google Calendar and display it as a block on your page. Take a moment to adjust the view so it fits your layout. You can drag the corners to resize, move the block to a different section, or position it side by side with other content. Choose whatever arrangement makes your workspace easy to scan at a glance. That's it. Your Google Calendar events now show inside Notion. A quick note: this method uses an iCal feed, which is read-only and updates periodically, so changes you make in Google Calendar will appear in Notion automatically after the feed refreshes. If something doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and refresh the Notion page, and that's how you sync Google Calendar with Notion. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.